Once again, a very warm welcome to you all on Punjab2000.com. मैं हूं थोड़ा अपना Tony Baines, and today we are in Trent Bridge in the shooting of Patiala House, fantastic film, up-and-coming film, and playing a leading role in the film we have the one and only Bollywood superstar Anushka Sharma. बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं, and a very warm welcome to you on Punjab2000.com.
Thank you.
Thank you, and I'm so grateful for your time that you've taken out for our viewers on Punjab2000.com. It's such a pleasure.
Thank you. That was really all mine.
I mean, I'm so honoured that I've actually got to sit with yourself and be able to talk to you.
You're so kind. Thank you.
Thank you. As your film acting career, just briefly tell us about yourself. How and what made you feel that you wanted to become a sort of actor and come forward into the Bollywood scene?
I just did not think I'm going to be an actor, really.
Okay.
I did not want to be an actor. I had no Bollywood aspirations.
Okay.
I was modeling. I was happy doing that. But I was spotted by Aditya Chopra. He saw my pictures and they asked me to come and audition for the film for the role of Tani in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi.
Fantastic.
And I auditioned and I think I did an okay job because they cast me in the movie.
That's a fantastic job.
Yeah, but I was cast in the film and it started from there. It was completely unexpected, but now that it's happened, I think I can't do anything but be grateful because it sort of opened dimensions in my life that I didn't know existed.
Okay.
And I'm glad because I think I enjoy acting and I enjoy it more than modeling today.
Excellent. So, I mean, Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi is a fantastic. You have done justice. I'm a fan of it. It's a fantastic film, and the concept, everything. I mean, I can't fault it if I tried. But as support from your family itself, I mean, did you have anyone saying, "Okay, no, not really. I don't want you to go into that sort of field"?
No,
or
not at all. My parents are extremely supportive. I don't think you can have parents like mine. My parents are extremely supportive. They've supported me they would have supported me in anything that I wanted to do in life.
Okay.
And I think that's great. It's kind of like an irony because I'm doing a film where the father is not supportive of the dreams of a son.
Yes.
But that's not the case in my life. So I think I can only be grateful for that.
Yeah.
I have lovely parents. I'm just glad.
Because we have, I mean, obviously you know that in the Indian culture, Indian society, we have a lot of that. Okay, parents have high expectations to go for the typical doctor, solicitor, accountant as such. So I mean, going into that type of field where you want to go into acting, some people that feel that nay.
Actually, the thing is that I've always been on utmost on modesty, really. Yeah. I've always been a good student. I've always been sort of like I've come in the first, second, third rank in school and college. So my parents always knew that if I wanted to do something academically and go somewhere in that direction, I would have. But I chose to do this. And as much as I understand the importance of education, I also feel that education can be imparted and can be received in any way.
Bilkul.
So I am getting educated. मैं सीख रही हूँ through acting.
Yeah.
और ये भी kind of education है.
बिल्कुल एक कला है.
एक कला है. It's a performing art.
Yeah.
And पहले तो यही सब होता था. I mean, you know, long back. This was a kind of this is education.
Yeah.
I'm growing as a person with every day on this film.
Yeah.
And I get practical knowledge, you know, about life, about so many things.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'm not saying this because it's great to be an actor because you get a lot of fame and all that. I think it's just the fact that you get to be here, be a part of an industry where so many people come from different parts of the world, different parts of the country, different. They have different status in life.
Yes.
They come from different, levels, whatever you want to call it.
Yes.
But they come together and they make a film.
Yeah.
You know, and everybody is contributing to that, to making one project. I think it doesn't happen anywhere else. So I'm just happy that I can be a part of a system of this kind.
For working in the Patiala House, I mean, obviously, you worked with a sort of Punjabi culture type of family background with Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. I mean, and then in this Patiala House, overall, how did you feel working in London with UK and in Southall?
I want to clarify one thing, and I'm glad that I'm doing it at Punjab2000.com.
Hanji.
That I'm not a Punjabi.
Okay.
it's a misconception that I'm a Punjabi. I think you all should think that I'm a better actor because मैं अपनी 2 फिल्म में पंजाबी का रोल किया और बहुत अच्छे से किया है.
You're most definitely. You take credit for that.
I'm taking full credit for
Definitely.
it. Because I'm not a Punjabi. I'm from UP.
Okay.
My father's from UP. My mom's a Garhwali, so I'm from the hills. But I've played a Punjabi in two films. बस मुझे बस ये बोलना था.
No, that's fantastic. I mean, so with working with Akshay, how did you feel?
Doing a role with Akshay, right? I mean, working in the film with Akshay. I think it was great. He's a very professional actor.
Yeah.
He is a thorough professional. Really, he comes on time. He does his thing. He when he comes on set, he's on set. No starry tantrums. Nothing. He's so easy to work with.
Yeah.
He's such a genuine person, and that shows. When you work with him. Apart from that, it was. I mean, working with Mr. Rishi Kapoor, Dimple Kapadia, I think it's just, I don't know, I cannot even express myself. I think Mr. Rishi Kapoor is such a phenomenal actor.
Yeah, bilkul.
You know, कि उनके संग आप you stand in the same frame as him and you feel so small because of his stature. I mean, he's incredible, and I feel really happy that I could do this to experience this and experience working with these actors in Patiala House.
Well, from myself and Punjab2000.com, we look forward to seeing the film. We look forward to seeing more of you.
Thank you.
And we wish you all the best and the success. And may Waheguru bless you with all your dreams.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.